Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Jen Francis here. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create your own animation subscribe button, just like the one displaying on my screen right now. So I'm going to guide you guys step by step on how you can easily create your own animation subscribe button. So we are going to be needing three things. One is Pixel 2 is Pixabay, and 3 is KineMaster, or you can use CapCut. But for this tutorial, we are going to use KineMaster. So the first thing we need to do is to head on to Pixabay. Pixabay, by the way, this is a website where you can download free stock images, free stock videos, and free stock music for your project and personal use. So we are going there now to download our non-copyright subscribe button for this animation. So just search for pixabay.com. Pixabay.com. So it says turning loyalty free images and royalty free stock videos. So on this website, you're going to get a lot of non-copyright stuff for your videos and projects. So if you don't have an account with them, just simply create one. Very easy. By the way, I made a video about that. You can check out on my channel. So we're going to search for subscribe button. Subscribe button. Subscribe button. Then we change this to video. Okay, so it says, okay, here are the options he gave us. You can see a different green screen subscribe button. So you scroll down and choose the one you want. So for this tutorial, I want to use this one, this particular one. I already have it on my phone. So, but I want to guide you guys step by step so that you know how you can successfully create yours. So you click on it and you are going to see the option to download it. Just then you click on download and it's going to download to your phone. I already have it, that's why I did not download it again. So the next thing you're going to do is to head on to Pixel Lab. This is an application that we use to edit images and create images. If you are a frequent if you own a YouTube channel, you must be familiar with this for your creating your thumbnails and a lot of other stuff. So basically it is used for designing. So today we're just going to do a simple stuff with it, and that is to get a shape for our animation. So it's going to be rectangular. Okay, I think this is okay. Then we're going to delete this. So this is our shape. Oh, I forgot to do something. I'm going to delete it. We're going to delete this. We are going to make this background transparent. Okay, then we add shape. It's going to be rectangular. These are stuff that we are going to be needing for our animation, and I'm going to make this thing very easy and understandable for anybody. Okay, then we increase the radius. This is going to make the border of the shape to look a little curved, so we just increase the radius to like 5%. 5% is okay. Then we click on save. We save as image. Now that we have our subscribe button and our shape for the animation, next thing is to head on to KineMaster. So here we are on KineMaster. You click on new project. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on image asset. we are going to make this animation a green screen so that it's going to be easy for you to remove the green screen and then use the animation for your videos. So we click on image assets. You are going to choose the background color. You are going to choose green. No, this is not the real green that we need, so we change the color. We're going to use this green. This one is much more easier to remove. Then this video is going to be like 8 seconds. So we take it to 8 seconds. So the next thing you're going to do now is to import that shape that we made from Pixellab. You're going to see why we made all those things. So media. So this is the shape that we made from Pixellab. And the shape is actually transparent. That's why I removed the background before I exported it. Okay, so this is the shape. Then we are going to increase this. I'm going to increase this shape now so that it actually fits. You get? I'm going to guide you guys step by step so you can see how easy it is to create these animations. Okay, so now we have imported the shape. The next thing we are going to import now is that subscribe button that we downloaded from Pixabay. You're going to see the reason why we downloaded all those stuff. The subscribe button, click on media again. Where is the subscribe button? Download. Okay, this is the subscribe button. So we import the subscribe button. So as you can see, this subscribe button now has green screen. So we are going to remove the green screen so that you can actually use the subscribe button to create our own animation. So we remove the green. To remove the green screen, you scroll down here. You scroll down and you see Chrome key. Click on it and enable it. So as you can see, it has just removed the green screen. Let's play the video so that you can understand what I'm saying. So this is the subscribe button that we downloaded from Pixabay. So let's continue our edit. And this subscribe button, you are going to move it here. Move it a little small. Okay. Okay, the next thing we need to import now is our channel or banner. If you don't have yours, obviously everybody is going to have their own channel banner on their phone. So I'm going to import mine, my channel profile. I'm going to import it, the image I used on my channel. So I'm going to import the image now. Image. Okay. So I've imported the image. This is the image. Then we move this thing to the end of this video, this clip that we just imported to the end of this video. So then we move this to the left. Okay, let's play it and see. Is now getting juicy. Okay, so the next thing we need to add now is to add text. After text, then we head on to animations to make this video more interesting. So we are going to add text. Okay, so my channel name is Discover with J. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It gives me more energy to put out more videos for you guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please like this video if you are getting value. So as you can see, this text is not yet visible because the color is white. So we are just going to change the color first so that it will be visible. We change it to black. Okay, now it's visible. Then we change the font. I like to use Monstrat. We use Monstrat bold. Okay, then we shift, remove this thing here. Okay, let's play the video. So as you can see, this video is not yet that good because something is still missing, and that is animations. By the way, before we go to that, let's move this text a little so that the image first pops up before the text. Then we move this text to the end of the clip. Then let's play this video again. Okay, now it's making sense. Then let's edit each of these clip one after the other. So the first thing we are going to edit is the shape that we imported. So we add animation to this shape. Which animation? Slide lights. No. You can check the animations and see the one that suits you. But please don't use this clockwise. Oh. Scallop. Okay, we are going to use this one now. We have just added animation to our shape. Let's play the video so you can see. You see the animation? See how the shape just came in, just slide in. So we are going to edit the next clip, and that is our icon, my channel icon. We are going to add animation to it. This one is popping, this one is fade. Like, you can just play around with these animations. This one is sliding, but don't use slide though. Don't use anything slide or clockwise or drop, or we're just going to use pop for this one because it's an icon obviously, so we use pop. See how the image popped in. Okay, let's play the video again. And we need to do something again. We need to shift this icon so that the shape first appears before the icon. The two of them are not supposed to come out together. You get? Okay. Shifted it. Let's see. And let's shift this one as well. Let's play the video and see what it looks like. Okay, then next clip for us to edit is our text. So each clip that you want to edit, just tap on the clip and you can edit that clip. So we add animation to this text. You can choose fade, just play around with it, but I don't want to use fade. Pop up, no. Slide light, no. Clockwise, drop, no. Let's just use pop for this. Let's see what it looks like. going to play this. So you can see how these things are coming up. First is the shape, then the icon, then the text, and the subscribe button. So as you can see, this is how simple and easy it is to create your own YouTube animation subscribe button. If you enjoyed and followed us to this point, please and please hit the subscribe button. Smash the like button if you got value from this video. So you can also customize and play around with these things and add your own stuff. But this is just a simple way to create your own animation subscribe button. Then this is a green screen, so if you want to edit your videos, just remove the green screen and you can use your animation button. Smash the like button if you haven't. Then next thing is to export. So here you can, then you save the video. It's saving the video for us. It's saving the video. So please, if you enjoyed and followed us to this point, smash the like button for me. Please and please subscribe to my channel if you got value. And if you want me to make more content about video editing, drop your opinion in the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Peace.